How to verify Cash App to send Bitcoin. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how you can verify Cash App to send Bitcoin, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to send and receive Bitcoin on Cash App, you first need to verify your identity within your Cash App account. So in order to do this, you can just try to open the Cash App account over here, then log into your account, then just make sure to come to the home page from here. So just go to the Bitcoin tab over here. When you go to Bitcoin over here, you can see buy Bitcoin. So depending upon whether you're trying to send Bitcoin or maybe deposit Bitcoin, whatever else you'd like to do, you can just tap the buy Bitcoin option. Make sure to enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin you want to buy, tap the next option, and once you tap the next option, you will be able to go ahead and then basically enter your phone number to verify. So it will ask you for a verification now. Whenever you're trying to buy Bitcoin or maybe add some cash, make sure you verify your identity with your legal details, and once you have verified it, you will be able to verify your Cash App, and then you can send and receive Bitcoin. This way you can verify Cash App to send Bitcoin. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.